Hey everyone, it's Sami from Sami's Sweet Life, and today I am talking about an app that I'm going to be using for my YouTubing. So if you are a YouTube creator, or if you're keeping track of any sort of project with multiple steps or multiple projects that all have kind of repetitive steps, this app might be something that you might want to check out. So this is a free app. You can get more features with their paid subscription options. I just have the free basic one. I've been keeping track of YouTube ideas, YouTube videos to film, but after that point in time, I'm not really keeping track of the workflow, and I want to get better about having specific steps in my workflow. So I'm keeping track of what step each video is on. And so when I'm doing, multiple videos a week, I'm batch filming. I'm not filming one video, editing it, finishing it to completion. I've got a lot of video balls up in the air that I'm juggling. And so it's really helpful for me to have some sort of way to keep track of them. I'm going to be testing out this Trello app to keep track of them because I really like how intuitive this app is. And I'm just very lightly scratching the surface of the capabilities of this app, but I want to go ahead and hop to the overhead camera and show you guys what I'm doing. I'm way ahead on my actual filming, so I don't mind showing this to you guys because a lot of these videos are going to be already put up, but I really set up a system here. I've got YouTube workflow, and I actually ended up making two different workflow boards. They're called boards, and so I made one for my scrapbook channel, and then I said YouTube for my Sami's Sweet Life channel. But I decided I'm going to combine them. But for this, I wanted to show you guys here. I just want to show you guys how I have it set up. So basically, the basic idea is each video would be one of these cards. And then you get to add more information on here. You can add a description. Just type out some stuff. You can add labels, add people to it if you're working on some sort of work project. And then it gives you activity. There's a lot of different things that you can do to add to the card, and then the cards move. You just hold it down and you can move it to the next step. And so I set this up incrementally. So I've got video ideas, videos to film, videos to edit, videos to upload, videos to finalize, and then to blog. And so I go through the workflow here. I come up with ideas. I'll have a list of ideas. I move them to videos to film, and then once I film them, I move over. They need to be edited. Once they're edited, they need to be uploaded, on and on. So you get the idea of the workflow. I have the same thing set up with this one, Sami's Sweet Life section as well, but I'm going to combine the two, and you can see I can label. So you can change the label color, and then I can say Sami's Sweet Life ones will be labeled a different color maybe. And then I've got videos in different areas of doneness, and that way I know if I'm going to be editing videos, I know I have these ones ready to edit. If I'm going to be finalizing videos, I know I have these ones left to finalize. And then at the end, I will move over the ones I want to go on my blog, and I'll have a list here. So when I'm blogging, I can just knock out some of those and get them scheduled. And so it's just something I'm trying out. I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to stay with it, but I like that I can have my video notes on here as well. There are a lot of features on here that I haven't really used yet. I've just basically set up the cards and just discovered the labeling thing. So this is totally new because what I'm doing right now, I have a list of videos to film and also video ideas, but they're in two separate board type things on my Google Keep. And then I also have an editorial calendar, which I will keep, but when I'm editing and stuff, I look at my editorial calendar and I have to think, okay, is that video filmed or edited or uploaded? I'll have to go check my YouTube and see which videos are uploaded but still need to be finalized. And by that I mean add the relevant description and links, the video thumbnail. I will upload them, and at a later point in time I will watch them through one time to make sure they're okay, and then add the things so I don't miss adding things. And so this way I just have a system. I can look at that editorial calendar and see where I am with everything. I'm getting to the point now where I have multiple videos kind of in process, and I don't know which video is where. I've definitely had a couple of brain fart moments where I'm like, is that video? Have I edited that one yet? I don't really know. And so I have had to go in and try to find the video and see if it's uploaded yet and all that stuff. So now this kind of takes that guesswork out, keeps everything really nice and organized. And so I think I'm really gonna like this system. Of course, I'm going to play around with it and tweak it and probably do some sort of update video, tell you guys how I'm really using it after this initial, like what I think I'm going to use. It's like this is the expectation and the reality might be totally different. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like these productivity style videos, and I will catch you next time. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.